Welcome. Today, we'll go over how to create an invoice in the Access Pro mobile app, step by step and quickly. First, go to the home screen of the Access Pro mobile app. At the bottom center of the screen, you'll find the Invoices button. Tap it to enter the Invoices section, then select Create Invoice to start creating a new invoice.
Next, select the invoice type. It can be session-based or blank. If you choose session-based, search for the corresponding session, select it, and tap Create Invoice. The invoice will be generated automatically and will appear with a created status. If the payment has already been made, open the invoice again and mark it as paid. This will update its status within the system accordingly.
And with that, you now know how to create an invoice in the Access Pro mobile app, whether it's session-based or blank, and how to mark it as paid. You can now manage your billing directly from your mobile device in a fast and organized way. See you in the next tutorial.